Yo guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to Kevin Revs. Today is detailing day. So today I'm gonna detail my car. Every Sunday detail my car. So today I'm gonna show you around how I do it, what tools I use for it, and let's have a great time. Let's go. So let me show you around the current state of this car. If I go near it, you can see all the dirt that has been collected up over the week and driving in rain. It does really look like an off-road truck. You can see the chrome and stuff. The hood is not that bad, but it's the side that really got the beating over the week. As you can see, let me show you in a close-up view. The windshield is not that bad. You can see the side view mirror, and these doors really look like an off-road Baja rally truck or something. These wheels, silver wheels, have turned brown. Quite an interesting design, isn't it? Let me come around to the back. Whoa, here you can see the real condition of this car right now. Let me go closer. Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. Many people even wrap their cars in this design full of covered with dirt. Quite interesting. Even the interior would have got a bit of a beating, I think. Let me go around to the inside. The seats are not that bad, but the floor mats, you can see how dirty they are. So that is the current condition of this car. Now let me go around and show you how I detail it. So guys, here are my detailing products. I'm a huge Turtle Wax customer. Here I have my detailing pressure jet motor. Then I have the zip wax, which is first used to wash the car initially. Dash and glass is the interior dashboard cleaner. Exterior one is the quick detailer. Then the shell wheel cleaner turns that wheel into that purple color, which is very famous. Then Seal and Shine makes the car shine, and it's a wax-like product. Lux leather is used for the seats, and interior one is used for the carpets. All of these products are really good and make the car shine a lot. To the back I have the microfiber cloths, which are very nice. So guys, my first job is to wash this entire car with this water jet. So let me do that now. So what I have to do is turn this to this most powerful setting, and now I just have to shoot the car. As you can see, this is really powerful. As you guys can see, the water does not stick to the car, but it beats up in this beautiful format. That is because I have used Turtle Wax Seal and Shine on this car before, so it creates a maximum hydrophobicity effect. Turtle Wax Zip Wax, which is both a car shampoo and a wax combined. So this is a very nice product that I'm using for this car for a long time. Now I'll pour a couple of caps of the solution. It's about 4 ounces because Turtle Wax uses the United States units, and I'm done with that. Now I have to add this wash mitt, which is really useful in cleaning the car. Now I just put my hand inside and shake it nicely so that it forms a nice foamy solution. Now all I have to do is clean the car by dipping my hand inside it every single time. I do it like this. the Shell wheel cleaner. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a mask, because this is an extremely acidic and quite poisonous product, but it really does clean the brake dust well from the wheel. So let me go ahead and use this product. So let me spray this. You can start seeing the brake disc, how it's turning purple, and you'll see the entire wheel turning purple like that, especially in these nooks and crannies where there are the brake dust deposition. I have to do this for all the wheels. It really works well, but it smells really bad. In the rear wheels there are not that much brake dust, so it's not that necessary. Just a little spray like this and you're done. As you can see, the silver wheel has completely turned purple now. Now I'm going to rinse it out. You can see how good this cleans. It's really amazing. Now as you can see, almost all the brake dust has been removed from the wheel. Let me do this for the rest of the 3 wheels. Now we got to rinse off the entire car one more time and then apply seal and shine. Let me go ahead with the rinsing. So guys, now I have completed rinsing the car another time. Now I have to dry the entire car using microfiber towels. So guys, you want to use a very dry, clean microfiber towel and clean the car in straight lines. You should not go in swirling motions, because the car may get scratched or you may get swirl marks on the car if you do that. This is my favorite Turtle Wax product. It's called Seal and Shine. It provides a very highly hydrophobic layer over the vehicle, and it also makes the car shine a lot. It also removes a ton of the small scratches. It does not remove it actually, it hides it very well, and it also makes the car look so much newer and better. So let me go ahead and apply this to the entire car. So to apply this, I just have to unlock this by twisting it. Then I have to spray it in the cloth a couple of times and then apply it to the panel like this. Only straight lines should be used, and too many products should not be applied here, because it's a very highly acidic product. So too many layers would spoil the paint. So like this, a little layer, but you should not have any streak marks. If you apply it properly, the entire car will be amazing. So guys, I finally finished detailing this car. It looks really good. Now let me go and show you around this car. Now you guys can see how shiny this car looked, especially compared to how dirty and muddy it was before. This car looks really amazing. I personally believe I did a great job detailing this. I hope you guys would think so too. You can see the paint works like a mirror. It reflects each and every single thing. Especially in this back angle, you saw how dirty it was. Now it looks really shiny and reflective like a mirror. This is how the BMW Sapphire Black paint really shines. You can also look at the rims, which are so silver. It's not grayish anymore. The entire car looks big and shiny. Even water won't stick to it due to the application of Seal and Shine. And even this dog approves of this car. I think it's coming and checking out the vehicle. And in the front you can see how beautiful it is. It looks really stunning. You can see there are no brake dust. My wheel cleaner did a great job, I think. Hope you guys enjoyed this car. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Be sure to comment and click the bell icon. I'll be back with more videos.